Hello everyone, today is the 19th of December, but we are ready to solve with AI day 16 Reindeer maze. The previous day, day 15, was quite a problem for all AI models. Most of them weren't able to solve even the first part, but none of them had solved this day, the day 15 part 2. Even O1, even O1 Pro, which appeared to be the smartest model, but yeah, see, since no model at all, we have tried Gemini 1206 experimental, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, O1 and O1 Pro, and DeepSeek, which considered as the smartest model for the coding. They all failed in part 2 without any specific iterative additional prompting, except at least some. But yeah, we'll go through the day 16. We got another map, another maze, another movements, which yeah, seems like AI models struggle a bit, but we'll see. So let's go with the first part. I'll just for now, I'll go to the day 16 solutions. Let's close this one, day 16 solutions, and we'll try O1 Mini for the first attempt to solve the first part. Let's see. So in our previously we have set up the cursor rules, and it should understand that we have the advent of code here, and we added as a context the description of the first part. And then we go day 16 O1 Mini O1 Mini day 16. Okay, let's ask it to solve. But while we're waiting, we will go and read the task, the actual task.
It's time again for the Reindeer Olympics. This year, the big event is the Reindeer Maze, where the reindeer compete for the lowest score. You and the historians arrive to search for the chief right as the event is about to start. It wouldn't hurt to watch a little, right? The reindeer start on the start tile, marked S, facing east, and need to reach the end tile, marked E. They can move forward one tile at a time, increasing their score by 1 point, but never into a wall, tab. They can also rotate clockwise or counterclockwise 90 degrees at a time, increasing their score by 1,000 points.
Nothing is clear so far.
To figure out the best place to sit, you start by grabbing a map, your puzzle input, from a nearby kiosk. For example,
we have a map, so what's E? It's an end tile. Okay, since it's a maze, we need to solve the maze and reach the end point. S appears to be the start, start tile. We have walls, so we have start and end walls, and we need to find solution. There are many paths through this maze, but taking any of the best paths would occur a score of only this number. This can be achieved by taking a total of 36 steps, turning 90 degrees, a total of 7 times. Okay. So we need to the calculate the lowest possible score. So it's like lowest possible turns. So here's a second example. In this maze, the best part is this one. Following such path would look like this. Okay. Note that the path shown above includes 180-degree turn at the very first move. What? Oh, okay, this one. Probably rotating the reindeer from the facing east to facing north. Facing east to facing north. Okay, how did we like? Is it always? Okay, it's always facing east. So in order to go to the north, we need to rotate from the first time. Okay, we got this task. Let's see what. Yeah. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired. I've had it like to resolve linter errors. Alright, but yeah, okay, like solve the task. The task first part. No. Provide full working solution for the input contained inside input txt. Let's go again. All right, let's see until it finishes. Okay, we got something. All right, so we have some heap queue. Yeah, so heap queue is a way to find a lower possible score, because we are adding it. Yeah, okay. Like, it's a tree of different solutions, and we use the lowest one. So let's see. Python. Oh, no. I forgot to place my input. Get my puzzle input. Oh, wow. Let's see. Puzzle input. And let's run O1 mini. We get our answer. Hopefully it will be correct. Yeah, 1 star, perfect. Continue to part 2. Let's read firstly the part 2 and then prompt all the models. Again.
Now that you know what the best paths look like, you can figure out the best spot to sit. Every non-wall tile, S-spine or E, is equipped with places to sit along the edges of the tile. While determining which of these tiles would be the best spot to sit depends on a whole bunch of factors: how comfortable the seats are, how far away the bathrooms are, whether there's a pillar blocking your view, etc. The most important factor is whether the tile is on one of the best paths through the maze. If you sit somewhere else, you'd miss all the action. So you'll need to determine which tiles are part of any best path through the maze, including the S and E tiles. In the first example, there are 45 tiles marked O that are part of at least one of the various best paths through the maze.
Okay, so we got some... yeah. I didn't quite exactly understood what should we do, like some comfortable seats. Every non-wall equipped places to sit along the edges of the tile. Well, determining which of these tiles would be this best sit the spot depends on whole factors. Okay. In the second example, there are 64 tiles that are part of least one best paths. Okay, so 1. Analyze your map further. How many tiles are part of at least one of the best paths through the maze? How many tiles are part of at least one? How many tiles are part of at least one best paths? Should we like find all the paths and calculate how many they are sharing? Probably, yeah. Let's go. So we'll go and input our whole description to O1 mini inside the composer. We'll need to remove the answer from the first part so the models won't be confused. So now let's go. So the task, both parts provide full working solution for the input contained inside. Okay, probably that's it. Apart from that, we need to get it. The other models that are not a part of Composer, we need to add them the context of the additive code, which is in our cursor rules, and the template of the file. So let's go. We'll be prompting O1. I'll need to go to O1 preview, send it, attach the template. So here's the template and here's the course cursor rules. Just the background information. Okay, yeah, O1. Let's go. And by the way, the same exact prompt will go to the other models. So O1, Claude 3.5 Haiku. Go. Gemini. Create prompt. Let's go. Then DeepSeek with DeepThink enabled. O1 has got something for us, and O1 mini as well. Let's go and see the solution. Yeah, it didn't use heap queue. Oh no, it did use heap queue, but to get neighbors. Okay, so again, heap queue. No, I'm not sure I understand what is the solution. So the first part is correct still. The second one though is smaller, and let's see if that's correct one. Now it's too high. Okay, so let me write down the result. It's not O1 preview now, it's O1 results. So for O1 we don't have an answer still. For O1 mini, we get success for the first part, failed for the second. Now we will try with O1. Okay, let's see if the code is full. Yeah, there is a lot of comments, and let's see if it actually works. O1. Okay. Yeah, it's a smaller one. We get, yeah, it's too high, so could be that this one is yay. So 01 is the winner now. That's good. That's good. Let's go back. Yeah, by the way, I didn't get a star for day 15. I would probably need to go to the Reddit and just paste the solution in order to just fill this up. Yeah. Okay. So 471 is the answer. I won't be trying 01 Pro because 01 had solved it. So we have some answer from DeepSeek, which is, by the way, not a part of our files. DeepSeek Pi. Let's see if it gets correctly. No, not at all. So DeepSeek failed. 01. So let's write for 01. Success and success. DeepSeek success. No, failed and failed. Okay. So what should we do now? DeepSeek Gemini. Let's see. By the way, did it? Where's Gemini? Did it think? I don't see. Did it? Does it contain the full code? Not seems to contain. Okay, so Gemini probably will get us incorrect results, and also for some reason didn't include the correct. Did I prompt it incorrectly? So both no, I said it explicitly where the path and the template was containing the path, but yeah, for some reason just includes not the correct one. Anyway, yeah, full, yeah, like, yeah. Wow. I won't be giving it another chance. Gemini, sorry, failed. DeepSeek, Gemini, 01, Claude, Haiku. Let's see. Alright, so we have a heap queue again. And probably, at least the first one, should be solved correctly by Claude 3.5 Haiku. Or not. Again, it's some... No. Could be that the solution is... Yeah, the second part is definitely not correct. The first one, though, I don't... Yeah, it's correct one. Okay, so... Haiku. Good result. Good result for... Success. Success for part 1. Failed for part 2. Now let's go and do the same thing with Sonnet. Go again. New chart. Sonnet, and let's go. Let's go. Okay, so Sonnet is solving. No. Let's go to GPT-4o Mini and GPT-4o inside a composer. Let's attach. Can we attach GPT-4o here? Yeah, we can. Okay, so GPT-4o. Okay, let's go. Oh no! It does erase the solution from O1 Mini. It seems like I cannot like go back. Yeah, never mind. So while it's writing, let's see what we get from Sonnet. And let's run it. Sonnet. Alright. Alright. So, Sonnet was actually able. So, you can see that most frequently when Claude, Claude for 3.5 Sonnet is on par with O1, it's mostly always better than O1 O1 preview or O1 mini and O1 are like the same as Claude 3.5 Sonnet. For some tasks, Claude 3.5 Sonnet fails, but yeah, not for this one. Okay, so success? No, both successes. Success. Again, okay, so this day was a better day for the models, since most of them seem to solve the first part, but not the second. But the second was at least approachable by models like O1 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So we get an answer from what? From GPT-4o. It uses HipQ. Where's that? I've seen, haven't I? Yeah, or not. But it uses this algorithm BFS. Okay, let's go for GPT-4o. Bye. Okay, nothing is correct. Sorry, GPT-4o. Where is that, by the way? Yeah. Failed. Okay, so now we'll be unattaching GPT-4o file, attaching GPT-4o mini, and now I will be creating another composer, because it will be reverting the changes from the GPT-4o. So GPT-4o mini, normal, and let's run. Okay, let's see what we do. We need to see something, look at something. No, all the models are here. Okay, so GPT-4o, GPT-4o mini only left. Okay, so we have for part 1 deck Q. Seems like it's using BFS as well. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, GPT-4o mini. Let's go. Yeah, almost the same answer as GPT-4o, and both failures. Okay, failed. Okay, this is it for the day 16. Not a good day for GPT-4o and GPT-4o mini. Good day for Claude though, because at least KaiQ was able to solve the first task. Sonnet solved both of the tasks. Gemini didn't solve any. Yeah, didn't it? DeepSeek failed. Gemini failed. But Sonnet has had success, and O1 actually had a big success as well. Okay, so yeah, I'm committing these results to our GitHub repo, and I'll see you on the next day in a few minutes. I mean, the next challenge, which is day 17, which is already happened. I'll be running in a few minutes, so just see the channel, and where I'll be starting the stream. Wait for it.